Hey guys, it's Kevin at Watchhimtrade.com. Today's date is April 19th, 2015. This will be a video chart on GBSN. Small cap stock under $5 that has made a nice move up over the last couple of weeks. You can see on this daily chart, volume started coming in at the beginning of the month, and as with that higher volume, you got higher prices, which is good to see. Nice reaction by the shares. Company maybe diluted and whatnot, but they didn't dilute it so much that it couldn't make a good move. So you went from $2 on up to nearly $6. So awesome move. You gave up almost half of it, found support at that 50% retrace about, and then recovered with a nice gap up then to start this week, and you've been consolidating ever since. So a couple things on GBSN. Number one, you take Monday's range. You traded here. I just put some dashes around it. Your total range on that day was 339 to 495. Notice that you didn't get out of Monday's range at all with any subsequent trading days on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. So that tells me that while Monday was a good range trading day, none of the days that followed have given a clear answer as to what's next for GBSN. They've given trading opportunities, but they haven't given great swing trading setups, because you can't look at this, I don't think, and say it's for sure going higher, it's for sure going lower. But what I like about it is I like the price area that it's at from a setup perspective. You're right around $4. Okay, and $4 to me is just a nice dolly level to watch, where if you're staying above $4 you can go up towards 5, and if you're staying below $4 you can go back down towards 3 and test that low that you had just bounced off of. I'm going to look at a 15-minute chart because it shows up very clearly this kind of congestion around $4. So here you go. This is the gap up on Monday. Just going to draw a pink line at that $4 level. You can see it spent some time on either side of 4, with every time since Monday ending up gravitating back towards 4, whether it was below it or above it. So again, I like your setup here relative to $4. Key resistance is just these Monday highs, just underneath $5. Key support is the Monday low at 340. You came down and tested it on Thursday, but was able to get a bounce back up. So good stuff here in terms of what your setup is. Watch your $4 action. Hold it. You can stay long. Below it, I think you could start looking at this thing for a short trade. Do be aware, though, that you have had gaps in the stock. So, you know, if I was trading it, I would personally be day trading it. I wouldn't be looking at overnighting this thing very much, because it's, you know, could go either way on you. Good gap up on Friday, obviously Monday big gap up, but then you look Thursday with a nice gap down. Last Thursday you had a nice gap down. You had a nice gap down on April 6th, which was a Monday, but then on March 31st you had a big time gap up, and then on April 1st you had a big time gap up. So bottom line, lots of gaps in both directions on GBSN. So, you know, it takes a little bit of luck to get the gap direction right. I prefer to avoid that nonsense and just worry about 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. market hours. And with that day trade setup, like I said, $4 is the level you want to be focused on.